Okay, we continue from the previous video. We are still in the example on how to show that the function or the PDE is separable or not. Okay, example B, let's say you have d square u dx square plus d square u dy dx plus d square u dy square. Okay, so same thing, step number 1, you just write first this term. Okay, sorry, xy lah. Okay, for the second one, we will replace all this with x prime or y prime. Okay, so for this one, it will be x double prime y plus x prime y prime. Okay, it doesn't matter which one that you want to write first, y prime or x prime, y prime or x prime, it doesn't matter. Okay, plus this one is x y double prime and then equal to 0. Okay, step number 3. Step number 3, what we do? Okay, I just continue from here. Okay, step number 3, we will divide each of it with x, y. Okay, then after you divide, you cancel lah. This one can cancel, this one cannot cancel, right? Because this is x prime, this is x, this is y prime, this is y. So nothing that you can cancel for this term. Okay, so for this one you can cancel. Okay, right, so what we left here? Okay, I erase this one. Okay, so for step number 4, you can see that you left with x double prime over x plus, okay, this one will remain the same term, tak ada beza pun. Okay, and the last one you will left with y double prime over y and equal to 0. So from here, from step 4 now, can you spread it ataupun separate it become 2 part, which is the another side, the left side is only x and the second side is only y. Okay, you can do for this one, you can do x double prime over x equal to, okay, this y you can bring to the right hand side, right? So you have negative y double prime over y. How about this one? If you bring to this side, you have negative or minus x prime y prime over xy. Okay, so the main thing here, you cannot separate it. You cannot break it. This term become x and y. Only one. I mean, you cannot separate x and y for this part. So therefore, this equation is not separable. Okay, so this is an example on how the example is not separable. Okay, so this is example on the PDE is not separable. So okay, I want to highlight here, okay, because this is step number 1, right? This is the main, I mean the starting step lah for you to proceed the rest for method of separation of error. So if the PDEs that you get here is not separable, so therefore this PDEs cannot be solved by using method of separation of variable. Why? Because it's not separable. Okay, it's not separable, therefore you cannot proceed to second step, because of second step is solving the separated equation. This is not separable, so therefore these PDEs cannot be solved by using method of separation of variable. Yeah. Okay, so step 1 is the main rule lah. Main rule maksudnya you kena do it carefully, but whether it's separable or not. If not separable means that you cannot solve by using method of separation variable. Okay. Alright, so you can do more exercise or more example. You can find out in internet, or you can find out in any sources that you have, books or anything. Okay. Alright, so till next video, I will proceed with the second step, which is solving the separated equation.